Hey everyone, Josh here with Fresh Start Customs, and today I've got some exciting news for you guys. I've been working on this since the middle of July, and to help me run this project, I've been working with, you may know him as Nick. He's in a lot of the Glowforge groups. We've created a group together called Glowforge at Home. This is to help the entire community. We're going to help do tutorial videos that we have. We have potential links to sales leads if you do like physical sales or digital sales that you want to pass off to physical sales. We also have potentially file testers as well, a whole area that you can sign up to be a file tester if you want to do that for free files in exchange for like photos. And Nick had a really cool idea too that I'm not going to release here yet. I'm going to save that for the group, so if you want to join the group and check that out, that's going to be potentially maybe a once a month thing or maybe longer. And then there's a few other ideas that I have in mind as well that I'd like to share in the group as well with you guys. So with all that said, we're going to jump over to the computer. I'm going to show you guys in detail what I mean and how this is going to help you and your Glowforge at home business, or if you're just doing it as a hobby at home as well. So this is going to be from anybody from brand new people with like our tutorials who want to learn how to design themselves, to advanced people who are looking for like sales leads or file testers. So if you're interested in any of that stuff, come check out the group. We'd love to have you. And let's go ahead and jump over to the computer. I'm going to walk you through in detail how to use some of these resources and what we're hoping to see in the future. So we'll see you there in just a second. All right, you guys, so welcome to the Glowforge at Home Facebook page. This is going to be our new page here for all Glowforge users, and we've got a huge amount of resources so far. I'm going to show you guys how to use the resources, and the page will be publicly available as of this video. Right now it's just me, my company, and Nick in here. So this will go live here in a little bit. So what we're going to do is I'm going to show you how to use our resources. So you may see these resources in the feed, but they will quickly get buried. So to prevent them from getting buried, we'll have them right here up at the announcement tab here. So as of right now, we have 3 dedicated resources. We have our tutorial resource, our file tester resource. So if you want to become a file tester, you can sign up here. If you want potential sales leads for physical sales, like physical items, you can sign up here as well. I'm going to go through these one at a time quickly. I don't want to make the video too long. So let's say you're brand new to Glowforge. You want to learn about Glowforge, all of the resources, how to create designs, the terminology. We've got all the tutorials set up right here. So just click up in the text area. Don't click the photo or else it'll just open up the photo. So click in the text. That'll open up the dedicated post here. And then as you can see, I've got different topics here on like video tutorials that you want to start out with, or helpful tips and tricks, or the fundamentals you need to know, tools and resources, actual resources for free files, common misunderstanding to know in the laser world, must-have bookmarks, and helpful resources. So let's just say you're brand new, you want to start with basic tutorials. I've got it all right here in the replies. You just click replies, and then you can go ahead right here to start off. It'll walk you through on how to set up your Glowforge step by step with this video. I've got an entire playlist here of 11 videos so far that'll walk you step by step on how to create designs, recommended items, Glowforge calibration, and so on. So then you can scroll down to the next section. So let's say you are looking for just some bookmarks and resources. You can go ahead and open and click see more, and I've got a huge list of different resources and normal pages that people should have or know about, like the Glowforge status page if there's like a maintenance issue with the Glowforge, or the Glowforge community page. There's a lot of resource in there as well, so you can check that out. So that's pretty much how you use the tutorial tab. You can just click the replies to any common things. I'm going to add this as I go. I do have the comments turned off on this section just so I can keep it nice and clean, and that way the tutorials don't get lost in the comments like they would in the normal post. So that's the tutorial section. We're going to go ahead and go back to the home page here. And we're going to go to the next spot here. This is going to be the file tester section. You're going to click the text up the top. And as you can see, you can read all about it, how it works. Basically, how it's going to work is this is going to, you're going to basically sign up down here if you want to become a file tester, and somebody can reach out to you that has a new design. You can either approve the testing and then send them a photo after you test the design, or you can decline and because you don't want to test that file, and then the person who offered it just has to go on to the next person. If you do accept it, all we ask is that you actually send the photo to the person, or you will be removed by one of us from the file testing group for not actually doing it after you agree to test a file. This is to prevent people from getting scammed out of designs. So just a heads up on that. If you agree to one of those people reaching out to you and you don't deliver on your side, you will be removed from that list. If there's any kind of issues, just let us know and we'll go from there. But we wanted to do this so this helps both the people who want to test out free files and the digital designers that may be low on wood. So that's the next step. We're going to go back to the home page again, and then we're going to talk about sales leads. Now, sales leads, what we are talking about here is people who sell digital items only. Just like me, I usually only sell digital items online because I don't like to do shipping. I do physical items in person, but online items I usually only do digital sales. So what this means is we can take the opportunity for all the people who want a physical item from me, and I can reach out to you guys who sell and ship physical items to their customers. And then all you have to do is talk with your customer, have them either buy the file to make the design, and you can use that file to make the design, or you buy the file if you want to reuse that design in the future for future items, and then you can get the sale of that physical item. So that basically helps both the creator of the design who has the sales lead, and it just gives you a free sale of a physical item. And all you have to do is discuss that with your client. You can decline the offers from the client. All we ask in this situation is if you're the digital seller who gets the sales lead, you don't discuss anything about the sale itself, like cost-wise or material used. You leave that all up to the person that you're getting in contact with the client. You can read more information in this in detail. I've written it all out, what we would expect from this, how to prevent from being scammed, and how to basically sign up. So what we would ask is you sign up by posting a picture of an item that you've made in the past so people have something to choose from, and your location. That way, if the client's from Canada, we could get you in touch with somebody who's from Canada to save on shipping, or from the United States, or from wherever they are. So that's pretty much all we ask in that. Just go ahead and read this over, and then you'll be all set. We wanted to provide a resource to delegate sales to other people. That way, both the client is happy that they get a physical item, and the person who's making the sales happy because they're making that sale for the physical item. And also the digital creator is happy because they're making that sale that would have not been sold anyways in the first place because there is no physical item. So that helps all three people who are involved. So that's pretty much it. That is what we have so far. We do have potentially a couple other items that we are wanting to do, but I'm going to save that for the actual group once we get started and we start building more members. So once we get more members, we are going to be doing some fun, creative stuff to keep people engaged, to help out the community the best that we can. And that's pretty much it. All right, you guys, so that's the entire group. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you join the group and follow along with us. We'll catch you guys next time.